Hello class, the purpose of this short video is to demonstrate to you how to access my feedback on your work. This is the My Grades page on Blackboard. I reached this page by clicking on My Grades in the left-hand menu. There are two types of feedback I can give you. I can give you a comment, or for your papers, I will give you a rubric. So the comment is this little comment bubble that shows up next to your grade. If you click on it, you will see some feedback written in English. That's on your assignments that are not papers. For your papers, I have filled out a rubric. From this page, you can click View Rubric. The rubric that pops up shows you the criteria by which I have graded your assignment and explains why you have that grade. When it's not a yes grade, I give you usually some more specific feedback. Back on this My Grades page, there's more to be seen. So if we click on the name of this assignment, Literacy Narrative, you see a preview of your paper. Enlarge this a bit. So here's your paper. Then over here you see your grade, and from this page you can access that rubric by clicking this little icon. It says View Rubric. You click it, the rubric opens up. But on this page, I want to show you two things. This is what the assignment looks like if you write your assignment directly into Blackboard. But if you upload a file, this is what it looks like. And when you upload a file, I can give you more specific feedback. So where you see this highlighted text, that's where I've given you a comment, or I might draw on your paper. So uploading file is more effective because it allows me to leave you that sentence level feedback. Back on the My Grades page, you see two grades here at the top. This is your grade so far. It'll be a letter grade. I want you to remember that that letter grade will change as the semester progresses and you do more work. The total is the total number of points that you have accumulated divided by the total number of points that you could have earned, and that is how your grade so far is derived. But again, that grade will change as you continue to work throughout the semester.